everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of what my hubby got it for me. And by the way, Happy New Year, guys! So this came today. I'm so excited to open it and I want to share it with you. So let's do an unboxing. Oh my god! Oops! So he ordered this one on Amazon. They got their own, website on this product, but we went to the Amazon to get also the 1-year warranty on this one. Woo! Ah! Look! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Sweetie! Holy crap! So I got a DJI Mini 2, and I think this is the whole package, right? Oh my gosh, it's the fly mode combo, so it comes with everything we see here in the box. So let's go ahead and rip this plastic. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to rip. Luna, what did mommy get? What did mommy get? Oh my god, guys! They sealed it in a plastic. That's really cute. Oh my goodness, this is actually kind of heavy. So let me put it down for a sec. Dun, 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 dun! Oh my goodness! And it comes with its own bag. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! Now I need to learn how to fly this one. This is gonna be... Oops! Wrong zipper. Wrong zipper. Oh my gosh, all in there, the accessories and everything. Oh, this is actually not heavy, it's very light. And it's really small, and it's what do you call this thing? It's easy to put it in a pocket because it's so light and small. Oh my gosh, this was first time too. So if you're gonna remove this thing, hold on, let's see the others. And this is the accessories, so that's why it's kind of the bag is a little heavy because of the batteries. And it comes with, ooh, that's the this is a battery. Oh my gosh. Oh, so they already put the battery in this one because this one is empty, so it got 3 batteries. That's so cool. So if you buy a combo, it comes with 3 batteries. That's really cool. And what else do we got here? Of course, the cord. That's the cord, and the USB plug. So yeah, that's for the charging. And oh, this is the controller. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So the weight, the controller is a little heavy than the drone. And look at that. Look at the camera. Oh my gosh, it's 4K. That is so awesome. My goodness. So I'm gonna rip this off so I can see the controller. Ooh, I really like the color. It's actually color gray. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that's the controller. And oh my gosh, this is so cool. So this is where you plug it, and there's where you're gonna you're gonna press this one to take a video or photo. That's cool. And of course, there's the start button, so it's indicated in there. So it's easy for you to find where is the start, where is the video, and if you want to rotate, you know, it's there in the front of the controller. That's really cool. If you want it to rotate the camera in front of you, or you want it, you know, back, that's really cool. It's like, you know, the cell phone. And of course, this is the manual, so we're gonna read this one. I'm gonna read this one. Not gonna read it right now because it's gonna be a long unboxing. So this is a cool bag. It's actually nice and it's very organized. So where you're gonna put your drone, the controller, and the extra batteries. And it comes with also a little packet in there if you wanna bring some how do you call this thing? Some paper, or if you wanna still put the manual. Oh, there's something in here too. Let's see what's inside of this. Ooh. Oh, so these are the accessories from the drone. So it comes with an extra what do you call this? I don't know, the flying thing. Flying thing. So it comes with the extras because, so you can see, it's the same as this one. So that's cool. It has also there, so I believe this is the extra. That's cool. It's coming with the extra of this thing in case, you know, when you fly it and it's got stuck with the trees or something, and then it's easy, you just like unscrew it and put the new one. So that's great. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I've been wanting to have this one for my as a Christmas present, and I have it. This is so cool. And what is this thing? Oh, this is the screw that you're gonna use. So that's cool. So everything in this bag is very organized, where you're gonna put the things that you needed, and it's easy for you to find, so it's not, you know, mess. That's really cool. Oh my gosh, zip it. And the bag is really strong, so when you accidentally drop it, but hopefully I'm not gonna drop it, it won't, you know, break whatever inside of it. And let's close it. I see another zipper in here. Oh, there's another extra packet in here where you can put whatever you want to put in here. So that's cool. So see, it has another extra packet. That's cool. This bag is really nice. Very cool. Oh my gosh. And it's really very thick. And of course, you can adjust it how long you want, if you want to do a crossbody or just a shoulder bag. That's great. Oh my gosh, I love you, sweetie. Thank you. I cannot afford this to buy it just for myself. This is really expensive. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So if you buy expensive something drone like this, you think about also the, what do you call that? The warranty. Just to put some extra, you know, purchase on it. So, this is the unboxing of this drone. On my next video, stay tuned because I'm going to do a try on. I'm going to do the fly thing on this drone, and we're going to discuss how cool is the photos, the videos, and it says there 4K, so I'm gonna show it to you too, and how to do the panorama and the 360, and we're gonna fly high and how far it goes. So let's see if this is like easy to do for a beginner like me. I'm a beginner, so hopefully this goes well. So this is the end of the video, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe on my channel, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Also, don't forget to check out my joint button section. Goodbye! Stay tuned on my next video!